Okay guys, it's my Xiaomi Air 2017 year edition. Let's turn it on. As you can see, the system boots very quickly. It's very quickly. I have Russian Windows. It's not so difficult to switch from the Chinese version to version what you need, with the license of course. I using it for about 3 months. Oh wow. About 3 months. What can I say? What I like about it, it's lightness and power. Very lightness. It's very convenient to take it with other stuff on my bag. It's very powerful. I have GeForce 150 MX edition, and it's very cool because I can play some games. I can photo editing, video editing, and other hard works. As we can see, there is Intel Core i5 7200U CPU. It's very cool. But there are some problems. It's very hard. It's very hard during the hard work. Because the thermal paste from factory is terrible. You need to change it. And case of this ultrabook is too small, and the cooling system can't work with it. We can do some test. We can do some test using AIDA 64. Okay, you can see message about throttling before test. It's strange. Okay, let's start. You can see noise from fan. Not bad, but it's only CPU. And now let's stretch GPU too. After 10 minutes, this area will be very hot. What else? The glassy screen. It's constantly stuck with dust and dirt. You need to constantly clean it. My cam can't see it, but there are always some dust. Also, it have flickering at maximum brightness. and most important problem for me, it's very difficult to work in video editing programs. The screen is too small. As you can see in Premiere Pro, the preview screen is very small and you can see only 2 tracks. Of course you can resize it and maybe you can see only 3 tracks. It's very bad. And it's hard to work. I should have taken the Pro version, but it seemed to me the Air would be better because of its size and weight. And yes, GeForce and the little shops, where is my cashback? I was not able to get cashback and it's sad. Anyway, thanks to Xiaomi for such amazing ultrabook and GeForce for buying and shipping, of course.